Imagine walking into a library and if all the books were strewn across the floor, not organised, you'd probably just walk straight out again. But libraries are organised, and you have to think of your channel in an organised way. Not from your point of view, but from your viewer's point of view. When your viewer visits your channel, if all your videos are just effectively in a pile, just all listed there in no particular order, they might not stay. They might not know what they really want to look at. So you can organise your videos into playlists. Playlists are like the shelves, the sections in a library or a bookshop. They guide you to where you want to go, and everything in the playlist is of a similar topic, similar area of what you talk about. Maybe a beginner series, might be a confidence building, might be history. So start putting your videos into playlists and then go to your homepage and organise those playlists. You can put those playlists up as actual lines on the homepage. That gives any viewer that's coming to your channel a guide. They might want to say, I'm interested in the beginners tips. So they go to that playlist and they might start watching one after another. They'll automatically feed from one to the next. They'll enjoy the series. That makes them loyal, that makes them want to come back and see more. So start organising your channel. Once you've got 10, 15 videos, start putting them into subgroups, playlists. And playlists, not from your point of view, but from how the viewer might see it. You'll find that it makes it much easier even to decide what to do next. You might say, oh, I'm actually missing a couple from that playlist, and gives you ideas to go and make some more videos. So start doing that. It'll get you a little bit more organised, and it'll make it a much better experience for your viewer.